Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within Coop openers, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Important to know creation some footage as requires some fast plugins silence the speed of the process and make this much easier. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section.